So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to animate this chainsaw where you have a perfect loop that goes on and on forever without bugging out or giving you issues. As you can see here, we have a 10,000 frame timeline and the animation is working perfectly. With a lot of the tutorials that I saw online, the biggest issue that they have is they work perfectly for the beginning part of the animation. Then after that, they just bug out. So with this tutorial, you'll be able to animate a chainsaw animation that just works perfectly. You'll be able to animate this without a need to know any sort of scripting, any Python scripts or anything like that. This is just animating. And if you wanna see how I managed to get this done and animated, please subscribe, become a member on the channel. I'm going to be starting a series of tutorials, but those tutorials are going to be for members only. As you may know, making tutorials and getting them right takes forever. You have problem solving, you have to sit down and figure things out, and the teaching aspect of it. So for you to have access to the tutorial series that I'm going to be working on, please subscribe and support the channel by becoming a member. And yeah, and for the last part here, I will show you what the final animation ended up looking like.